So simply connecting to OpenAI's API no longer impresses sophisticated investors who've seen this movie before. I've advised dozens of startups, and those focused on solving real problems consistently outperform those chasing hype. The funding bar for AI companies is rising. You need actual revenue and proven market fit, not just flashy demos. So we're entering the show me the money phase where AI companies need profit, not just PowerPoint presentations. Now, remember when AI was supposed to automate everything? Well, the human in the loop is making a massive comeback. Companies are quietly adding human verification steps after discovering that AI mistakes cost more than human oversight. So I've watched AI implementation projects pivot from full automation to human augmentation after just their first major failure. The most successful AI deployments enhance human capabilities rather than attempting to completely replace humans. After 25 years in tech, I know that technology works best when it respects irreplaceable human judgment. Full automation without human checks is when the most expensive and embarrassing failures happen. Now, AI hallucinations, and this is where the model confidently generates false information, remains a massive unsolved problem that kills the business. See, the core of how AI works is it's pattern matching at a really fast speed. And that's the reason why it works really well in chat and in research. But if you're actually trying to get it to invent or to solve something, it gets really tied up really fast. One time I was trying to tell it that I had, like 7 stations and I had like 130 people, and how do I split them up into 13 teams to get to the 7? And I tried the algorithm for hours, never got it, right? So if it's the same thing of asking like how many R's are in strawberry, well, now they've trained the AI to do this. But some of those other examples where you try to give it a really hard problem to solve and it can't. So I recently tested a legal AI that invented fictitious court cases and cited them as precedent. And this is absolutely terrifying for real world use. Many companies hide these reliability issues rather than transparently addressing them with confidence scores or limitations. For critical business documents like contracts or financial reports, hallucinations can lead to catastrophic decisions. So, reliability trumps capability. A system that works 99% of the time beats one that works perfectly but fails unpredictably. The AI bubble burst that I've been talking about here is when business leaders realize that their expensive solutions sometimes just make up things convincingly. Now, again, lest you guys all think I'm hating on AI, again, every project we're working on right now, we're building AI into some aspects of the projects. You just have to be intelligent about how you're doing it and build in real value. Companies are building critical business functions on AI APIs that they don't control. And that's a huge recipe for disaster, because what happens like when OpenAI recently changed all the behavior of their APIs, right? We saw lots of business struggle to try to scramble quickly and make the change. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack Live video here, because we've got lots more for you today.